Welcome back everyone to our Interior channel. The all-new Chevrolet Silverado 1500 has been finally spied. It means the current generation Silverado, which has been around since 2019, will be replaced in a year with the next 5th generation pickup truck. We have illustrated how its exterior could look like, but the interior could be simply taken from all-electric Silverado. Please let us know if you like our renderings of the 2027 Chevy Silverado. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.